Um, Hello students. In this lecture I will tell you that how you can create a cell array within the Matlab. Suppose I have created a matrix A and then I have created a matrix B. The dimensionality of matrix B is different than the dimensionality of the first matrix A. Then I have created a third matrix which is C, and the dimensionality of this matrix is different than the A and B. Then I have created a variable D and have stored 1000, which is size 1 cross 1. Now how we can combine all these matrices within a single cell array. So I have created a cell array M. So M of 1 equals to A. So the matrix A have been stored at the first dimension, the first index of the cell array. If I open it, you will see that these are the content of the cell array at index 1 row, first row and first column. You can see it's a two-dimensional matrix. Now I want to store the second matrix, which is B, in the same cell array. So I will store it in the second index value of the cell array. I've stored B in the second cell array, and you can see that the dimensionality has changed. It is now 1 cross 2. In the first position the A is stored, while in the second position the matrix B is stored. Similarly, if I want to store the matrix C in the cell array, I can store it within the third position. Similarly, I can store D in the fourth position. I can create another matrix and I can store it in the fifth position. So in the cell array we can store multiple different matrices, multiple different content with various dimensions. So there are multiple different positions within the cell array. We can store a matrix of any dimension. You can see in the first cell has a 2 cross 2 matrix, the second cell has a 2 cross 3 matrix, fourth has 2 cross 1, and then there is a 1000 value, and then there is a 2 cross 5 matrix in the fifth cell of the cell array. So this is uh, for the purpose within the complex MATLAB problem you will have to deal with the huge set of values. So at that instant you will need an array to store the different dimensional content. So this is all about it, how you can create a cell array. Thank you so much.